Hey, I'm Mark with TeamBonding. Today, we've got a great team here at Google. We're doing a unique program of ice sculpting. Talk about getting together teams through the power of play. I do a demonstration, I share my expertise, and these teams get to carve ice and do a presentation. I get to share the tools, the techniques, and get to work with them and watch people take something ordinary and make something extraordinary. Come check it out.
First time ice sculpting, which was interesting, not necessarily what I expected, but absolutely a great team event.
I think it was a lot of fun, way more than even some of the people expected, and I'd definitely do it again.